friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking potatoes and mushrooms in the air fryer. So what we need is a few potatoes, mushrooms. Here this is 8 ounces of mushrooms. Seasoning is your choice. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And you'll also need oil. Use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. So first I'm going to cut potatoes into pieces. Now whether you peel the potatoes or not, it's totally up to you. These potatoes have thin skin and it's very tasty. I just like to eat them with skin, and I'm too lazy to peel them. The less work the better, but if you can peel potatoes if you'd like. And I already washed the potatoes before making the video. So just cut potatoes into pieces. So here are the cut potatoes. Now I'm going to season them. So just season the salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And you can use any seasonings you like. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And how much you use, totally up to you. It's just to make them more crispy. And if you try to not use oil, just leave it out. It's just for flavor and to make them more crispy and brown better. So now let's toss the potatoes with oil and seasonings. So now I will put potatoes in the air fryer. So mushrooms will go in later because mushrooms cook quicker than potatoes. That's why I'm not putting them in at once. So let's first add potatoes to the air fryer. Now I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 25 minutes. Now while potatoes are cooking, I'm going to chop the mushrooms. So just cut them into pieces. And sprinkle this salt, pepper, and garlic powder. For mushrooms, you don't have to use oil. You can just only season them. It will work great. And just set them aside. And we will add them later when there's about 10 minutes left of cooking, because mushrooms take 10 minutes to cook, and we will add them later. Now when there's 10 minutes left of cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. See, the potatoes are looking good. So let's mix the potatoes. And add the mushrooms. And you can leave mushrooms on top, so it'll cook quicker. And let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these potatoes and mushrooms, perfectly cooked. They look amazing, so nicely browned. So let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. See, the potatoes are soft. They cut so easily. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Wow, look at that. Yummy, it tastes amazing. You're going to love air fried potatoes and mushrooms. Air fryer makes it so easy to cook them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!